Tonight, a helping hand, how one Flagstaff resident is aiding the victims of Hurricane Matthew.
Plus, on the mend, how a horse is recovering from a life of abuse.
Good evening and welcome to NAZ Today. I'm Audrey Nagel.
And I'm Xavier Rangel. New tonight, city officials
Sierra Shipley, NAZ Today.
If you would like to donate to help Brownie, you can by calling the shelter or visiting their GoFundMe page for Horses Animal Cruelty Case.
Coming up, Trick or Treat. Find out what rang in as this year's most popular costume.
Then, can a ghost really diminish the value of your home? We'll let you know when we come back. Stay with us.
All right, taking a look here at our current temperatures. A little chilly out there if you're getting ready to go trick-or-treating. 57 right now here in Flagstaff. I'll let you know about what we can expect the rest of the week coming up in weather.
Live from Flagstaff, Arizona, on the campus of Northern Arizona University, it's the 2016 Flagstaff Mayoral Debate, presented by NAZ Today.
Good evening and welcome to this special edition of NAZ Today as we host the 2016 Flagstaff Mayoral Debate. I'm Xavier Rangel.
And I'm Cheyenne Mumphrey. Tonight, both candidates, Jerry Neighbors and Coral Evans, face off and compete for your vote right here on the campus of Northern Arizona University. Throughout the course of this debate.
All right, candidates, well, those are all the questions we have for you tonight. We're now going to give you some time for some closing statements. Mayor Neighbors, we're going to start with you.
All right, thank you, and thank you to the viewers, and thank you to our moderators. This has been a fun debate. 17.
Thank you, Mayor Neighbors. Your time is up. Councilwoman Evans, your time starts now.
Again, I want to say thank you to everybody here in the TV station, the live audience, and thank you to all of you at home who tuned into this. The future. I'm asking you for your support. I'm asking you for your vote. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilwoman Evans. And with that, we conclude the 2016 Flagstaff Mayoral Debate. We want to thank both of the candidates for being here tonight, as well as the City Council candidates for being a part of this debate.
As a reminder, Election Day is just days away. Please be sure to go out and vote on Tuesday, November 8th. And if you're voting by mail, it is recommended that you mail in your ballot by November 2nd to ensure that it's received by the 8th. I'm Xavier Rangel.
And I'm Cheyenne Mumphrey. For all of us here at NAZ Today, thank you for joining us, and we will see you tomorrow night.
All right, well, before we go tonight, we'd like to mention that due to finals and graduation ceremonies here on the NAU campus, we will not be on air next week. However, we will return with 15-minute shows during the week before Christmas, beginning December 19th.
And we also want to say goodbye to our audio guy, Eric.
Hi.
Thanks for all your work that you're doing. You're graduating.
Thank you for doing it. Hire me. Somebody hire me. For the love of God, I need money.